If you want to send your GitHub profile link to someone, then you should copy the link. So in this video, I'm only going to show you how you can copy your GitHub profile link within your laptop. For this, let's log into our GitHub account here on our PC. Click on the first website, and then this is my homepage. Is all of you can see. My profile link is whenever I will click on the right top of the screen, that is my profile section. Let me just click on that here, then click on your profile. Now whenever you will click to your profile option, you should simply see on the screen that there is no option to share your link, but the link is in your search bar. Simply copy this search bar after going to the profile section, and then copy this link from this menu and share it anywhere you want. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and reviews like this.